The 2020 Honda WRV facelift has been launched in India with prices starting at 8,50,000 rupees, going up to 10,99,000 rupees, all prices ex-showroom Delhi. The updated version of the crossover was initially slated for launch in April this year, but the coronavirus pandemic delayed the proceedings. Nevertheless, the BS6 compliant version of the WRV is here and comes with refreshed styling, new features and updated petrol and diesel engines under the bonnet. The new WRV facelift will be offered in only two variants, SV and VX, on both engines, which means more feature-packed options for the customer. There are plenty of subtle changes on the 2020 WRV. The model gets a larger grille with horizontal slats and Honda's signature chrome slat with the company logo in the center. The headlamp cluster has been upgraded to the new LED projector lens unit with LED daytime running light. Power on the 2020 Honda WRV facelift continues to come from the same engine lineup that meets the new emission standard. This includes the 1.2-litre iVTEC petrol engine that belts out 89 brake horsepower and 110 Nm of peak torque, while paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The diesel version gets a 1.5-litre engine that is tuned to produce 99 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of peak torque, while paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. There are no automatic options on offer. French car maker Citroën has revealed the details and technical specifications of the 2020 Citroën C4 and the Citroën EC4. These two models are the 10th generation Citroën hatchbacks, with the first Citroën C4 being launched way back in 1928. While the design of the cars was first revealed earlier this month, Citroën has now furnished details, the most important of them all: engine options. The new generation C4 will get petrol and diesel engines along with a fully electric variant for the first time. The electric C4 or EC4 gets a 50 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, which gives a WLTP certified range of 350 km in a single charge. The electric motor makes 134 brake horsepower and the peak torque figure stands at 260 Nm. The 0 to 100 km/h sprint time is just 9.7 seconds in the sport mode, while the top speed is rated at 150 km/h. The electric Citroën C4 can be charged up to 80% in just 30 minutes via a 100 kW public fast charger. There are 5 petrol options and 2 diesel engine options available on the C4 with a combination of manual and automatic transmissions. In terms of styling, the Citroën C4 and the EC4 are quite similar and employ a coupe SUV kind of a design with a sloping roofline at the rear. The front end is typically sharp with a slim grille, angular headlamps and the distinct double-line DRLs, something we'll see in the future models as well. The company is considering this car for the Indian market. American electric car maker Tesla on Wednesday became the highest valued automaker as its shares surged to record highs, and the electric car maker's market capitalization overtook that of former frontrunner Toyota Motor Corporation. Tesla shares gained 5% in early morning trade in the US to record a $1,133 per share, boosting the company's market cap to over $209 billion, roughly $6 billion more than what Toyota is being valued at by investors. Tesla is now worth more than triple the combined value of US automakers General Motors Company and Ford Motors Company. The share's meteoric rise, up more than 163% since the start of 2020, highlight the growing confidence among the investors about the future of electric vehicles and Tesla's shift from a niche car maker to a global leader in cleaner cars.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership, bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.